Hi, I'm Kalyan from Huesys Consulting, a HR function management company. Huesys stands for Human Synergies. We help small and medium-sized companies in setting up HR departments. Our core competency is in managing the HR departments of organizations which has been outsourced to us. There are many small and medium-sized companies in today's global scenario which are growing at a very drastic pace, but they don't have an exposure specifically to manage the HR or optimum utilization of people or their resources. For those kind of segment, we are helping them out in setting up HR departments, not only giving them support on strategic implementation of HR, but also helping them out in the operational execution of work. In the sense, in today's scenario, there have been many companies who are growing, but they don't have their own HR departments. They don't know how to hire people, manage their employee relations, performance management system, training need identification or exits. There's many, they are just going ahead with an administrative activities. For those kind of companies, we help them in setting the complete HR department from induction to exit, how a process has to be framed, and at the same time how it can be executed operationally. This is one of the USP of Huesys, like it's called as a HRFO, Human Resource Function Outsourcing, one of our core competent service where we help small and medium-sized organizations. Till date, we have managed around 12 verticals from, you take it IT, non-IT, BPO, pharma, manufacturing sector, R&D, and so on. That's about Huesys. In moving ahead in this competitive era, like today, we are jointly organizing a program with the support of FAPSI to help the federation and association members how to manage their HR departments. The core focus of this program is on educating or orienting on business growth, how to manage the HR department, and also at the same time making the people as a core competent with respect to enhancing their competencies, their growth factors on the organizational front. And I'm sure this program is going to be helpful for the CEOs in mapping to the HR departments. And we thank FAPSI for giving us this opportunity to present to the various verticals. Thank you. Huesys HR function management company is one of kind of only company which is in today's scenario is taking up the operational and strategic HR functions of the organization, wherein the complete HR department is outsourced to us and we manage their end-to-end function. We are based out from Hyderabad, but we have our operations in Bangalore, Nagpur, Ahmedabad, Mumbai. And recently we have launched in Delhi and Chennai too. And we have expansion plans to touch other metros and two-tier towns like Kolkata and Pune too. We are a 8-year-old company. The response has been pretty good because the companies and the new level entrepreneurs who want to grow and also want to build a process dependent organization and not a people dependent. They want to build a process dependent organization. Our clientele is more on to people who are innovative and on a growth, people who are with a growth passion.